Welcome to Olympian Water Testing, giving you the best in water analysis. Today we're looking at Bloomberg Law. New York moves on some of the strictest PFAS drinking water limits. What are they doing here? Let's take a look. New York State is on track to set some of the nation's most stringent maximum containment levels in drinking water for forever chemicals that don't break down easily. The state's Public Health and Planning Council on Thursday voted to set the levels and finalize rules requiring water systems monitoring for per and polyfluoroalkyl substances known as PFAS. The council also made New York the first state to set levels for 1,4-dioxane solvent used in household cleaning, cosmetics, and personal care products, and increasingly detected in drinking water sources. New York set its levels at 10 parts per trillion for both PFOA and PFOS, the two most well-studied chemicals in the PFAS family. They require public water systems to test for contaminants and clean them up if elevated levels are detected. The vote, after a lengthy process, which began in December 2018, so this has been going on for a while. They've known it for a while. It's good to see they're taking action on it now, was delayed by the coronavirus pandemic. The relations now go to the State Health Commissioner, Dr. Howard Zucker, who participated in the limit-setting process. He is expected to approve them imminently. These new standards are some of the lowest and precedent-setting nationwide and were carefully considered over months of scientific review, with stakeholder input to ensure successful implementation, Zucker said Thursday in a statement announcing the council's actions. So it's good to see that they're taking a look at this, that they're seeing what's going on. But the interesting thing is, it's been going on for quite a while, and it was delayed since 2018. So a lot of people during definitely 2020 and during the years after that probably got exposure as well, not even knowing. Once approved by the commissioner, the regulations will be published in the state register. Public water systems serving 10,000 people or more will be required to start testing within 60 days. Systems serving between 3,300 and 9,999 people will have to begin 90 days of regulations being published, and those serving a population of less than 3,300 have 6 months. So they put different requirements based on different population. That being said, it's good to see New York definitely put some moves to put some of the strictest PFA drinking water limits, MCLs, and they're taking a look at it. And this regulation will no doubt help because these forever chemicals get in water, and if there's no testing for them, if nobody's looking at them, then they can cause a lot of health issues, and they're not small health issues like cancer, function of the thyroid, and other problems. That being said, even if they're putting regulations and some strict limits on them, it's always a good idea to periodically test your water for PFAS.